Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a slow copy speed problem on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. The first step is to disable auto tuning. So if you are copying any files through your network, then disable auto tuning can help you improve the network performance. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy the first command, copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in and press enter. After getting this OK, the command is successfully done guys. After finish copying the file, you just need to copy the second command and paste here guys to get back to normal stage. And it will be get back to the normal stage guys. After finishing this, let's move on to the second step. The second step is to disable RDC. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Features. Comes up 10 Windows features on or off. Click on open it. In here, you need to scroll down and find remote differential compression API support. You just need to uncheck this option and then click on OK. After getting done, you just need to select the close option and close it. Now the third step is to optimize drive. To do this, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. You just need to search for optimize drive. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing all these steps, you just need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you will get better copying speed. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.